Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our video. This video is about psychology as well as why most traders fail in Forex. So first of all, psychology. Basically, psychology comes into force when you do not follow the rules. Otherwise, you don't need to work on your psychology. You need to work on your rules. How, just follow the rules of trading. And if you do not know the rules, that means you need to learn the trading. You haven't learned it. So that means your technical analysis or your trading skills, basic knowledge is not good enough. It's same as like if you do not eat properly or balanced diet, you have to go to the doctor. Similarly, if you do not know the trading techniques or trading analysis skills, then you can't trade. Then you are more likely to make mistakes, and hence you need a you will have a psychological problem. So basically, so first of all, to follow the rules, learn technique and analysis, which is a main black backbone of the Forex, and obviously you have to take your fundamental analysis along with it. Once you do that, just follow all the rules and you'll be fine. You don't need any psychology. You won't have any psychological issues. Do not work blindly on psychological issues, and psychology is a fact, but it's only come into the force when you do not follow the rules. So you have to believe in yourself. So that's more important thing. Once you know the rules, you have to believe in yourself and strictly follow. Sorry, strictly follow the rules. So first of all, there's some few important points I have written. The why traders fail, the first of all is technical analysis. They do not know the technical analysis, or they haven't learned properly. That's the number one reason why that technical. So once they know the technical analysis, then number one reason will be risk management. So if there's a trader who knows how to trade, then the number one reason will be the risk management, meaning how much lot size he has to put, how much, when to exit the trade, when to enter the trade, when to take the profit, take a loss, etc., and how much to risk and etc. Lot size, these things come into force. So once you know the risk management and you strictly follow, you won't come under the FOMO issues, fear of missing out, or revenge trading and things like that. Once you follow the rules, all these things will be removed. Sorry, all these things are removed from your trading. So you must follow the rules, believe in yourself after you learn how to trade. So technical analysis, risk management, and the third thing, important thing, is trade management. So to be profitable after risk management, you have to be trade. You have to know how to manage your trade. How much, when to, if you are layering, taking more, adding more trades, and if you are taking closing part of the trade, etc. This is called trade management. So technical analysis, number one. Second, risk management. Then third would be trade management. And number four, follow the rules of the game. So these are the four main points I've written for you. Although the one of the main points in all of them, these 4 points, is risk management once you know the trading. If you do not know the trading, then you should work on technical analysis. That would be the number one. So these, if you know these 4 points, if you follow them strictly, you won't have any psychological issues, because psychology is basically, trading is a reflection how you perform things in real life. So if you're a calm person, you probably need to work less harder on in Forex. If you are more rush person, if you do things in rush, last minute things, you're not good, very good planner, you don't know how to plan, then you will have more problems in Forex. So I hope this helps, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.